Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Yeah, if you watched the last ADA video from yesterday, then you were prepared for one more low, which happened. Quite a bit of a low yesterday. Yeah, quite a bit of a drop across the market. Here it was around the daily candle close just before that. So yeah, we saw a drop all the way down to 34.7 cents. There was sort of pretty much what we talked about. We said we wanted a low below 34.9 to get basically the next low in place, which would be important for ADA, because I don't believe that ADA, based on the structure it had and also that it developed here, would be able to suddenly do a breakout. So yeah, we continue the downtrend here. What has been invalidated, I already had taken it off the chart anyway, was this triangle pattern that we said, okay, this could still be an A, B, C, D, E. Yeah, it's still possible though, but very unlikely given that the wave B dropped below the beginning. So at the moment I would not really focus on that. So what else do we have? We are still in this pattern that I told you yesterday, that this here could be a fifth wave down of a third. Yeah, but again, I don't exactly know if there will be another fourth and fifth coming in white. It doesn't need to be. There are two ways of counting this decline from when we broke out of the triangle to the downside. So from 46.4 cents, there are a couple of ways how this can be counted, this move down. And I currently show here a way of counting it where we will see another low, where we'll see one more low, but it's not absolutely necessary. However, primarily I still think we haven't finished the wave 5 yet. The reason is that at the moment the move up is not impulsive yet. We haven't broken above previous swing highs. That would maybe change things a bit. So at the moment we are still focusing here on the downside, and to look at the lower level wave count. Mentioned it yesterday. My view is that this here was already a 5-wave move, but a diagonal pattern, yeah, because it does not look clearly impulsive, that move down. So my view is that from the wave E high, which was here at, I need to have a look, I think it might actually have been, no, it's probably here, 37.2 cents, yeah. From here we moved down in what I believe was a wave 1 to here, and then we made a wave 2 here, and we're now heading further down, just to illustrate that, yeah. And in this, but I mean, again, this is micro counting, so just to show you, give you an orientation where we are. And then I would say this is probably, at the moment, I would count this as another 1-2 pattern here. But really, if this is another 1-2 pattern, we should not, well, yeah, we basically have reached the limit anyway, so we should not really break above 35.7 cents. Again, this would not, if we go above that, it will not invalidate the 1-2 pattern, but it will make it unlikely, and above 35.9, we will invalidate it anyway. Yeah, so then we need to see what's going on there. But at the moment, my focus would still be on lower. Said to you yesterday, one more low would be required to, well, possibly end the bear market. Yeah. Not telling you that ADA will end the bear market with one more low. I mean, we had that low now. Theoretically, we could now go up, but I can't see it yet. Yeah, I don't have the evidence. I would always want to wait for the evidence in the current situation. And for me, at the moment, it's just time to wait for, you know, a confirmed bottom in place. At the moment, there is no confirmed bottom in place. I mean, ADA has dropped enough in terms of the higher level pattern to, you know, complete all the requirements for such a large correction. And now I just want to see an evidence for a bottom that could be, you know, 5 waves up, 3 waves down on a lower time frame, making a higher high, making a higher low, moving back from a downtrend into an uptrend, invalidating a couple of bearish patterns. You know, these sort of things, they would at least give us some evidence. And at the moment, my view is still that we head lower. Okay, and as I mentioned before, an ideal target for ADA would be around the 30-cent level. So ADA has adhered very well to the Elliott wave count from well, since May basically, but really since we started this decline and broke out of the triangle here, which we've been following. So if I zoom out a bit, you see this massive triangle. If you actually take the height of the triangle and add it to the breakout point, the length, the target would take you down to 15 cents. Now, that is more than I can at the moment see. It doesn't mean it wouldn't happen. It doesn't mean I will rule it out, but it means, you know, we want to look at what is in front of us. And at the moment, the decline continues, in my opinion, despite this small reaction that we've seen, which is not really that massive. And overall, we haven't even made a higher high yet. So for me at the moment, the focus is further to the downside with an ideal target around the 30-cent mark. Okay, that's my update about ADA. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.